Yo, what is good, y'all boys? We are up about $400 on the day today. I took a loss on QQQ. I tried to go long, didn't work out. We got this huge impulse move to the downside. So I flipped my bias just like that. Waited for this 5 minute retracement into our fair value gap, also our order block, and the pullback to the EMAs as they swapped. You guys know the strategy. If you don't, keep up with me. Join the free Discord every day and you'll obviously be able to learn the strategy. You guys know that the EMAs, when the 9 is crossing below the 21, if you watched my last video, that's an indication of a downtrend. So all of our confluences lined up. PAL came out, it was bullish. We did not close above this high. Indeed, we swept it, and then boom, we inversed this bullish fair value gap right here, which disrespected that. Also, we disrespected literally all of our bullish confluences, even this little order block that we have right here, and we closed below this low. So we broke structure. Then I was just waiting for the pullback. We created this fair value gap. Remember, I'm not going to enter like all the way down here. I waited for the pullback. I didn't enter all the way up here. I entered on the 1 minute time frame. So where I entered at was right here. I saw the pullback. I don't know why this is messed up, but I did see the pullback and I saw a good reaction entered off of that. Or it might have been right here, I think it was. Yeah, it was actually right here. I'm sorry. I don't know why it was messed up. On the 1 minute, I entered off of this 1 minute gap and it didn't come into the 5 minute yet. I don't think it was created. The 1 minute or the 5 minute wasn't even created yet. So we came into the 1 minute fair value gap. I'm pretty sure it was like right around here somewhere. I accidentally moved the position size, but yeah, it's all around the same thing, to be honest. So stop loss never hit. If you go on the 5 minute, where we could have entered, where we should have been like maybe inside of the fair value gap, just so we could have gotten a better risk to reward. We could have put the stop losses up there. Sometimes I just like to see a good reaction out of the fair value gap. So we saw actually, yes, it was right here. You guys see this wick. We came into the 5 minute fair value gap and then saw a good reaction on the 1 minute. I entered down there and then we ended up coming up close to our stop loss, never hit. And then we ran over 100% today. So made over about 400 bucks with this huge downside move. We cashed out on this. I'm going to show you guys exactly why I got into it now. So let me delete everything and we're going to show you what I'm looking at. So if you're looking at the 4 hour time frame, yes, we are bullish, right? We're bullish, but we're overextended. We're overbought. I think that we've seen way too many green candles in a row. And what do we have? We have all-time highs are getting swept by 4 hour candles. By this wick right here. I'm sorry, not candles. The 4 hour and the 1 hour are sweeping these highs. You guys see that, right? So if I'm looking at it right here, all of these highs are getting taken out, which are a 4 hour liquidity sweep, right? You see the 4 hour liquidity sweep right here. You see the 1 hour sweep. And then what are you waiting for? You're simply waiting for a 5 minute and a 15 minute break of structure, or break of trend. So we see this support line right here. It's super, super simple, guys. We do the same thing every day. I tried to go long because I thought we were bullish. News messed us up. Probably not going to be trading news too much. Price action was absolutely fucking dog shit. But yeah, we swept highs and then boom, we saw that impulse move to the downside on the 15 and the 5 minute, and we closed down there. So when we broke that support, I'm thinking, okay, let me wait for a retracement. We created a fair value gap right here. We created the 9 and the 21 EMA, swapping. The 9 crossed below and swapped below the 21, indicating a downtrend. We saw a lot of selling action out of the fair value gap in the order block, telling us that buyers are no longer in control. Sellers stepped in right here. Boom. Hit all of our take profits. Looked good. Could have gotten a better entry maybe up here, but doesn't matter. Stop loss never got hit. Still was a decent risk to reward, and we made $400 off of this trade. So I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you're learning with me every day in the Discord. The only way that you're going to be able to master this setup, see these every single day, is literally by just applying yourself. You're going to take losses. You're going to lose. You're going to have fear. You're going to get happy. You're going to go through all of the emotional stages with this shit, and it's going to be hard as hell. It's strictly up to you whether you just continue to try, continue to apply yourself, and go through all of the emotions and the trials and tribulations, because this shit's fucking hard. Realize, if it was not hard, everybody would be doing it. And if it was easy, everybody would be doing it, right? Like, everyone would be doing this shit if it was easy. If it was so easy and it was so quick, everybody would be doing it. Why do you think they say 99% of traders quit? Because it's so hard mentally and people cannot get through it. You have to treat this like a game. You just got to stay alive. Look at your account. Let's say you have $500. Bro, when that hits a zero, you're dead, bro. Look at it like that. Do not let that shit hit to zero. Do not let it go all the way down. It's literally just staying alive. Risk management is key. Being able to stick to your plan, stick to your stop loss. That's all it is, man. This was today's trade. QQQ. We also lost QQQ today as well. Um, but our winning trade obviously made more than our losing trade. So I hope everyone has a great day. I hope everyone is staying blessed and keeping God by their side and just applying themselves with this fucking trading shit, with life, and just with self improvement every single day. Have a great day, guys. Peace.